On November 27, 2021, at 11:28 p.m., three individuals are observed walking near a construction project with over $10,000 worth of construction material visible in the laydown yard. The three individuals noticed the construction material and proceeded to trespass onto the construction property. SentriForce Surveillance Monitoring Center was immediately notified of the suspects when they set foot on the construction property. Within moments, the live video monitoring team notified the construction superintendent of the activity, dispatched local law enforcement, and engaged audible alarms for behavior modification. The suspects immediately turned tail and ran at the sound of SentriForce surveillance systems.